The market is changing fast, and so are your customers' needs. Market research is key to building better products or services, attracting the right audience, and staying ahead of the competition in 2025. But with so many tools out there, how do you know which ones are worth your time and effort? This video is your shortcut to the great stuff. Today, I'm sharing 9 powerful market research tools you can absolutely freely use to uncover trends, analyze competitors, and understand your market without spending a cent. The first one on my list is Google Trends. It's still one of the most powerful tools for spotting what people are searching for over time. You can use it to look for specific keywords, subjects, and phrases that have gained interest in a specific amount of time or region. Google Trends has features like real-time data, pointing out the latest trends, a simple and easy user interface, and is easy to navigate. Since it won't cost you anything, it's definitely worth using in 2025 for in-depth market research. The second spot is for Statista. It is one of the best market research tools for building an online statistic in market research. For gaining insights about market research institutions and their opinion, it should be your go-to option. Statista has some amazing features, including a statistics portal, research and analysis, content and information design, and e-commerce insights for your business. Even with a free account, you can pull high-level data and charts to back up your business case or marketing pitch. Number 3 is ChatGPT, a tool that can help you with almost anything you want, from generating customer personas and crafting survey questions to summarizing raw research. You can use this AI to cut hours of your research workflow. And yes, the free version is more than enough to get started. Deal with all the regular research you need. Coming in at number 4, I've got Google Analytics. Now, it's not a full-blown market research tool, but it's an amazing tool for learning who's visiting your website, where they're coming from, and what they're doing. It can help you analyze the traffic on your website and give you a complete picture of your visitors and their demands. The main features of Google Analytics are reporting traffic, tracking conversions, keyword guidance, reference to third parties, and a custom dashboard. The free version is ideal for small businesses, and if you ever need enterprise-level insights, there's always Google Analytics 360. Fifth on the list is Make My Persona. It's a free tool from HubSpot that allows you to create buyer personas by answering a series of questions based on existing market research. Using this tool, you can definitely find out more about your market. With Make My Persona, you can easily create personas, enjoy fantastic form layouts. It comes with an essential question series to understand users and a downloadable Word document. Let's speak about number 6, which is Semrush Free Tools. It's a fantastic tool for competitive market research and digging into competitor strategies to make better marketing decisions and ultimately get more traffic from search engines like Google. Semrush's free features offer keyword research, traffic estimates, and competitive analysis, perfect for benchmarking your online presence. To ensure a strong online presence, you can try out this free tool. The 7th spot is for Google Keyword Planner. The main task of the tool is to look for the phrase or keywords that are related to your business. If you want to stand out in your business, it makes it easier for you to scan research keywords, make suggestions for the daily budget, and show monthly search details. Besides, it has a column for the new competition, and it can add new keywords to your existing campaigns too. In number 8, I have Ubersuggest, another simple tool for doing market research on keywords and content. All you have to do is input a phrase, and it will come up with a long list of additional keywords. It also gives you content inspiration, backlink analysis, and insights into top-performing SEO pages in seconds. In version 6.0, You can log into the dashboard of Ubersuggest and trace the ranking of your competitors' websites for free. The last one on my list is Google Alerts, a reliable tool to monitor online mentions of your chosen keywords. Set up alerts and get email notifications whenever your term appears in search results such as web pages, blogs, scientific research, or newspaper articles. It's perfect for tracking trends, news, and competitors. The top features you get with Google Alerts are a free notification service, real-time alerts on keywords, lets you track your competitors, create links, and it's easy to use. It's simple, smart, and 100% free. And there you have it. 9 essential and free market research tools to help you win in 2025. Whether you use one or all of them, they'll give you the insights you need to make smarter business decisions. Which tool are you excited to use first? Let me know in the comments below. And if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.